John Conkler with the John Jones Police Pursuit Vehicle Division. We want to show you the crime scene truck that we just specially built for Jeffersonville Police Department. And it has a bed slide that will come out the full length of the bed. Has the capability to put 2,000 pounds on it. Also has 2 drawers the full length of the bed. Put all your materials in. And has side compartments for more storage. If you're needing a police vehicle, a crime scene vehicle, a transport vehicle, or any special built vehicle, give us a call at John Jones Police Pursuit Vehicles, 877-473-5546.